What size power station do you need? We're going to talk about these different sizes here today, and we'll discuss what they're each capable of running. But Oupes is having a Prime Day sale. That's why this information is important, because if you're shopping for a power station, now's the time to get one. And which one is it? This is the Oupes Exodus series right here, the 2400, the 1500, the 1200, and then on the end down here we have the Mega 1 of their Mega series. I'm going to tell you the differences in them real briefly here because I've already reviewed each and every one of these, and the question is which one is right for you? That depends on what you want to run. I'm going to show you what these can run, and then you decide what it is that you've got that you need to run, and then you can pick a size. First of all of these Oupes power stations have LiFePO4 batteries, which are safe from catching fire like lithium-ion does. And also, these all have a 5-year warranty. It's a 6-year warranty if you actually register the product after you buy it. They give you another year's warranty, and they all have lifetime customer service. And they're not just kidding about that customer service. They actually have a Facebook page where Oupes is represented every day. Oupes is right there. You can talk to them directly on their Facebook page, and they resolve the issues. I go there every day just to see what's going on. I've been reviewing Oupes products now for years, and I've never had a problem with one. This is one thing you might want to run. Let's see how each of these does on just a die grinder. This down here is the Oupes 2400. It's got a 2,232 watt-hour battery, so it's the biggest one here. And this is something you might typically be using, a die grinder or maybe a saber saw, something like that. No problem. Oupes Exodus 1500. It's a 1,488 watt-hour battery. And I should have mentioned this is a 2,400 watt outlet on here. This is a 1,500 watt outlet over here. That's why this is the Exodus 2400 and the Exodus 1500. No problem. Exodus 1200 with a 1,200 watt outlet. No problem. This is the Mega 1. It's not of the Exodus line, and it's got a 1,024 watt-hour battery, and the outlet on this one is 2,000 watts. So this is just under the Exodus 2400 over here. So none of these had a problem with a die grinder. Okay, this is serious business now. This is a very old contractor's circular saw, Porter cable here. I don't know, this thing draws a lot of amps when it starts. Let's see how these handle this. No problem. No problem. This is the baby one over here. No problem. Even the Exodus 1200 here didn't have any problem starting this saw. I did notice that the start was a little softer. Now, it didn't kick real hard, but it did run it. What else can these things run? How about a big 12-volt compressor refrigerator? We all use those now. I mean, not too many people are still using ice. Well, some people are, but not me. Because 12-volt compressor refrigerators are so easy to use, and you got a freezer compartment and a refrigerator compartment, it's just a no-brainer. How long will these run those? First of all, just so we're comparing evenly, I'm talking about a refrigerator that is already cooled down. Maybe you had it plugged in inside your house, and the night before you left on your trip, you put all your stuff in there and plugged it in. So just to compare apples to apples, we're talking about a refrigerator that's loaded with your stuff and is already chilled down. Okay, with that in mind, because I've tested all this in the past, so with that in mind, let me tell you what these can do. This Oupes Exodus 2400 will run a refrigerator like that for about 6 days. This Oupes Exodus 1500 will run that refrigerator for about 4 days. The Oupes Exodus 1200 here for about 2.5 days. And the Mega 1 on this side over here will run it for just under 3 days. I use the Exodus 2400 in the trailer, and it runs my air conditioning. It'll start my air conditioner, no problem, and run it. I do have a hard start on my air conditioner, which makes it actually start easier. This Exodus 1500 will also run my air conditioner. It'll start it and run it. The Oupes Exodus 1200 will not. The air conditioner will shut this off. And the Oupes Mega 1 over here will start the air conditioner, and it'll run it for about 2 hours. This one over here will run it for about 4 hours. So the way that Linda and I travel is, this Exodus 2400 over here stays in the trailer all the time because it'll run everything that's in there. These two, I'll have one or the other in the truck itself just to charge phone batteries, camera batteries. We can plug so many different things into here, and they're just convenient to have. They also charge faster than my cigarette lighter charges my phones in the truck, so these are way faster. So if you're just out to the woods for the day or to go fishing or something like that, you're not going to beat this little 1200 because it's going to run that refrigerator of yours, charge your phone battery, camera batteries, everything like that. Little 1200 is a good unit for everyday use like that. And for weekend trips, this is just my suggestion now. The 1500 is excellent. If you're really serious about getting out on the road, you're not going to beat the Exodus 2400. That's the way we look at it. And the Mega 1 down here, the outlets are 2000 watt instead of 1200 watt. And one thing I like about the Mega 1 is it's easier to handle because it's got 2 handles on the top, so you can hold it like this. That's the nice thing about the Mega 1 also. So what about this sale? So the Exodus Prime Day sale is July 8th through the 11th, and they have some pretty serious discounts. They also have, leading up to that, like right now, there's big sales going on also, just a little less than the Prime Day sale, but they have a daily drawing. You can enter every day between now and July 11th, and every day they're giving away a different prize. It's not little prizes, it's like a power station. And every day the prize is bigger and bigger and bigger until July 11th. So go to oupes.com, even if you don't buy anything, and enter that drawing every single day. That's a good thing to do. And the biggest prize on the Oupes daily drawing is worth over $7,600. So we're not talking about little stuff, we're talking about big stuff. Enter every day, starting now. Okay, as for prices, with the Prime Day sale, the Oupes Mega 1 is $439, which is 20% off. The Oupes Exodus 1200 is $349, which is 36% off. That's a big savings. The Exodus 1500 is $449, which is 18% off. And the Exodus 2400 is $699, which is 36% off. So that's a big savings on the 2400 here. So if you're looking for a power station, I strongly suggest that you check these out, especially right now during their Prime Day sale. We'll see you around.